In this video, I'll show you how to sign in to a Microsoft account on Windows 11 to get benefits for syncing settings, OneDrive, and Microsoft Store. Let's get started. Right-click on Start menu, click on Settings. In left menu pane, click on Accounts, click on Your Info. Here I have signed in with a local administrator account. Under account setting, on local account, you will find an option sign in with a Microsoft account instead. Click on it. Type your Microsoft account email address. Click on next. Choose a way to sign in. I am choosing use my password. Type your Microsoft account password here. Click on sign in. Type your current Windows computer password. Click on next. Here you will find a pop-up menu what to use your fingerprint to sign in faster and more securely. Scroll down. I'm not setting up it right now. Click on skip for now. Now create a pin. Click on next. Type the pin number here. Confirm your pin number. Click on OK. One more step. Use Windows Hello to finish setting up your Microsoft account on this device. Click on next. Type the pin number again. That's it. This is the easiest way to sign in with Microsoft account on Windows 11 computer.